Hey people, good day. This is your host Jahidul and welcome to you Digital Insight. Today we'll discuss about how can change your workspace in AutoCAD. If you open in AutoCAD, you can see the starting AutoCAD will be similar. This is the opening of AutoCAD, and if you are going for the drawing, it is called workspace. Okay, so this is called if you open that drawing, and this is the view, and this called workspace. And probably if you are working as a 2D, the 2D workspace view like that. Probably if you are working for 3D, that time you need to be go drafting and annotation, and you can change it 3D basic. This is the view of 3D basic. Or if you are going for 3D modeling, this is the view of 3D modeling. Most of the work done by AutoCAD in 2D. So for 2D work, we are going for drafting and annotation. If you are not showing drafting and annotation in your workspace, you can see there is the one button. Okay, if you are not showing drafting and annotation, you can see this is the option. You can see a small menu in there and click on there, and it will show there is, you can see new file. You can open from here, new file, open, save as, save web file, plot, undo, redo. Okay, properties, then workspace. So you need to be, if I'm now it is click on there, if I uncheck that, my drafting and annotation is gone. So I need it, if I need it, then I just click or tick mark there, then drafting and annotation will be available or appear. So this is the way you can change your AutoCAD workspace. Thank you so much for watching my video, and hope so we'll meet another new video. Until then, tata, bye bye.